The American Express Platinum credit card is my favorite premium credit card. At one point, it was the most popular premium credit card out there with a high annual fee of $450. That changed after Citi introduced the Citi Prestige credit card and Chase introduced the Sapphire Reserve. The Amex Platinum got a little lost between these other premium credit cards, and especially so after American Express increased the annual fee by $100 to $550. However, even after all these changes, it's still my favorite premium credit card, and here are 13 reasons why the American Express Platinum card is totally worth it. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You could also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. The number one reason that makes the Amex Platinum worth it is the sign-up bonus, 60,000 points. And if you're lucky, you might be targeted for a 100,000 bonus points offer. I personally value American Express membership rewards points anywhere between 1.8 to 2.2 cents per point. If we use the average, that puts the sign-up bonus at a value of $1,200 or $2,000 if you're able to get the 100,000 points bonus. Number two is the $200 annual airline credit. The way this benefit works, every calendar year you get to choose one airline towards which this benefit will apply. Technically, this credit only applies toward incidentals like checked bag fees, seat assignment fees, airline lounge passes, and so on. However, certain airlines like American Airlines and Delta code gift cards in a way that triggers this statement credit. This makes it an easy way to take advantage of this benefit year after year. Number three is the $200 Uber credit. This is one of the newer benefits of the card. You'll get Uber VIP status and free rides in the US up to $15 each month, plus a bonus $20 in December, totaling $200 per year. The only problem with this monthly credit is if you don't use it by the end of the month, it doesn't roll over to the next month. A great way you can use this credit though is through Uber Eats. Number four is Global Entry or TSA PreCheck credit. You'll receive one statement credit every 4 years up to $100 after you apply for Global Entry or TSA PreCheck and pay using your Platinum card. I always recommend you apply for Global Entry because it also gives you TSA PreCheck as an added bonus. Number five is Shop Saks with Platinum. You can earn up to $100 in statement credits annually for purchases at Saks Fifth Avenue on your Platinum card. These credits can be earned up to $50 on a semi-annual basis, from January to June and July to December. Number six is bonus membership rewards. You can earn 5 times membership rewards points on flights booked directly with airlines or with American Express Travel, and you can earn 5 times membership rewards points on prepaid hotels booked on AmexTravel.com. If you travel frequently, this is a great way to accumulate a ton of valuable membership rewards points. Number seven is Amex Transfer Partners. If you want to get the most value out of your membership rewards points, then transferring points to one of American Express 19 travel partners is the way to go. Points transfer to those partners at mostly 1-to-1 ratio, and the transfers are also instant for most of Amex travel partners with the exception of very few. Number 8 is BOINGO Wi-Fi. You'll get complimentary membership to BOINGO services, which offers you complimentary access to unlimited Wi-Fi at more than 1 million hotspots worldwide. Number 9 is Lounge Access. The Platinum card gives you more lounge access than any other premium credit card. You and 2 guests can access the Centurion lounges, which are some of the nicest lounges in the US. As a Platinum card holder, you'll get access to Delta Sky Clubs whenever you're flying on Delta, even in economy. You can bring guests at a rate of $29 per guest. You'll also receive a free Priority Pass Select membership, which gives you and 2 guests unlimited access to over 1,000 lounges around the world. Number 10 is Hotel Elite status. The Platinum card will give you complimentary SPG Gold Elite status and Hilton Honors Gold status. This will give you perks like late checkout, free Wi-Fi, and also a chance for complimentary room upgrades and so on. Number 11 is Car Rental Elite status. As a Platinum card holder, you'll be eligible to enroll for status with car rental programs such as Avis Preferred, Hertz Gold Plus Rewards, and National Car Rental Emerald Club Executive status. Number 12 is Shop Runner. This is a nice benefit from American Express that gives you free 2-day shipping when you shop online at participating stores. You have to create a free account through AMEX to get this benefit. Number 13 is AMEX offers. This is something that comes with any AMEX card, but it's pretty cool. It's an easy way to save a little money here and there on stuff you'd buy anyway. You'd find offers for restaurants, hotels, and stores where if you spend, let's say, $50, you'll get $15 back as a statement credit. All you have to do is add the specific offer to your card and use the card when you make the payment at that specific store or restaurant or supermarket or whatever the offer is. That's it for why I think the Amex Platinum is totally worth the high $550 annual fee. When you factor in all the annual credits like $200 Uber, the $200 on airline credit, the $100 at Saks, and the $25 from Global Entry if you split the $100 over 4 years, then the annual fee basically drops from $550 to $25. Plus, you'll get all the benefits of the points, lounge access, elite status, and Amex offers. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.